Hi, Tiffany here for Manor House Creations. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I altered this gift box I had laying around. I am adding 2 layers of gesso before I adhere the paper. This is the Springtime collection from Graphic 45, and I'm using 2 different sheets of the paper here. I'm going to be distressing the edges, and I'm going to be layering 2 papers together so that the color of the bottom layer just barely shows through the top. I'm adding my first paper here to the box, the top of the box, and I'm using a Fabri-Tac, and I just use my bone folder just to make sure that all of the adhesive is on the paper so that it stays to the box. And I'm adding the top paper, so I'm kind of curling the edge there so that just a little bit of that color shows through. You can see here I'm adding the paper to the side of the box. I did cut all of my papers beforehand, and I do add the paper to all of the sides of the box. The bottom of the box and the inside of the box, I do use the same sheet, same style of paper, pattern paper, so it's all one pattern. This is a wood embellishment from Kaisercraft. I am painting using some gesso, and then I will be adding some Lindy Stamp Gang spray onto it and drying it so that it gives it a really nice look where it's darker in some areas than others. I'm spraying this trim with some Lindy spray as well, the same color I used on the wood embellishment. I am now taking some gesso, which I added some water, and whitewashing this vine from Manor House Creations. And I do add some Lindy spray to the flowers and to the leaves to add a little bit more color back into the flowers and the leaves and the vine. I did a little bit too much whitewashing there. So you could see I'm spraying the leaves as well. And here I am going to be taking that trim and adding it with some Fabri-Tac, adhering it with some Fabri-Tac. And then I will be adding the wood embellishment and some of the chipboard pieces from the collection. And again, this is the Graphic 45 Springtime collection. So I'm taking some more chipboard pieces, and I take this little tag and put it on the bottom there, and then the other half of that frame I put kind of underneath that trim there. And I am taking some more of that vine and placing it on the other side of the top of the box. So I adhere this tag in the center of the box, and I do tie some twine on the sides, and then I'm going to be finishing it off and putting these little tiny buttons from the chipboard embellishments on the side there and just covering up those holes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That completes the box, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.